One of the most asked questions that I always get is, I have really short hair, can I have extensions? The answer is yes, you can, but it's going to be a very specialized install, and the install is going to be so unique to just that standard install. Because of that, typically it's probably going to cost a little bit more because it is more time consuming, and a lot of the time we have to cocktail different methods. Today I'm going to be going over my very special client and what we did to take her hair from short to long. To start off, we did a removal of her old extensions. So I removed all of those keratins and the tape-ins, and then we went in with a fresh install. So today we're actually installing the new Bellami Infinity Weft on her. The Infinity Wefts were a great option. Wefts are always going to give you the fullest coverage, but I love the fact that the Infinity Weft are really lightweight and you can stack and layer multiple colors, and also that point of attachment is really, really flat. I didn't want to go in with a weft that was too bulky because I knew that she wouldn't like it, especially because she'd gotten used to those keratin tips, which are really lightweight. Aftercare is really important with extensions, regardless of what type of extensions you wear. One thing that's really important is that we're always using hair extension shampoo and conditioner that is designed to be used with extensions. We don't want to use anything that has sulfates in it because that will dry out the extensions, and we want to steer more towards those professional products. I always recommend the Bellami hair care line. It has been designed for extensions, it prolongs the life of the extensions, and honestly I've seen a huge difference between my clients that use it and my clients that don't. So I love anything that's moisturizing, hydrating, smoothing is also going to work really well, and I'll always recommend going in and doing at least 2 shampoos when you wash your hair, and then using a really nice conditioner or mask at the mids and ends. Anything oil based is going to work really well on your extensions. You can use oils at the mids and the ends to offer hydration and moisturization. You can also use a leave-in conditioner, a leave-in spray. I love Color Wow Dream Coat, that's really great at smoothing out your hair. I also love your Bellami leave-in. They have a really good leave-in treatment. I love Kevin Murphy, I love L'Oreal. Honestly, I have a whole range of products that I always recommend to my clients, and then it's up to them what they prefer and also their budget. When they are washing their hair and then drying it, I always recommend that you dry your extensions thoroughly at the roots. That's really important regardless of what method that you wear. It's important that we dry those extensions at the root, and then we can go in and blow dry the rest of the hair. I always say blow dry your roots on low to medium heat, and then the rest of the hair you can go in at a higher heat setting. It's also really important that you use a good heat protectant to make sure that you are not going in with a high heat and drying out those extensions. So heat protection is imperative. I always recommend the Dyson Airwrap. I love it. I think it's phenomenal. I love the fact that it doesn't pull on your extensions either. If that is a little bit out of your budget, the Shark also have a really good dupe which is just as good as the Airwrap. Now that all of those weft rows are in, I finish with a really good cut and blend and style.
They say, yeah, bad boy, it's your time.
this is the finished product. I love it. It's such an upgrade from what we did before because her hair has grown so much more, so it's even more seamless than the first time that we did it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate you being here. And if you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe.